Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a butterfly knife. You're gonna need 3 of these. Make sure you have 4 of these, 2 of these. These might be a little harder to find, but maybe you can find them. And then just 1 of this, 2 of this. Here's how we're gonna do it. So what you wanna do first is grab this. Grab these blue things. Stick them in like this. Make sure it's the long way. You grab this. Like this for both of them. Next thing you want to do is place this in here. You need to grab this, push it in there. Make sure you have this. Push it in there. And you want the other one. Push it in there. You do this again. Push it in there. And you get the other ones.